2014 Kenmore 20-inch box fan that I bought a while back originally to trade for an older box fan, but that ended up not happening, so it stuck around. It was just kind of a boredom project of mine. I'd come down here and work on it when I got bored. You can see I cut a whole bunch of the grill vents out to make it move more air, and I painted it aqua because I got really bored, didn't have anything else to do. It's a really cheap fan, doesn't move a lot of air, and it makes a ton of noise. Here's the side. The only reason I have not destroyed this yet is because I put the time into painting it, and it looks kind of cool. It's back, it's got the world's cheapest motor in it ever. This fan weighs less than a plastic liquid cool operator with a small motor in it. Here's the other side. Probably the crappiest box fan I own. Lasco is definitely a lot better than it is. Sucks that it has a liquid style blade set on it. It just makes it even worse. Here's low. You can hear it, the grill rubs the blades. Horribly cheap fan. It's not really moving much of any air right now. A little bit. Quite irritating with that grill rubbing. Medium. And high. Very loud and irritating. And doesn't move squat worth of air. Definitely a big improvement when I cut out that front grill though. And I'll shut it off. I don't feel like listening to it anymore. I did have to oil this fan since I bought it too, because constantly running it for like a month the motor started to lock up on it. What a cheap piece of crap. So I ended up having to throw some oil in it to free it up because I didn't want to pop the thermal fuse. It's one of the cheap piece of crap fans I own and I'll probably end up destroying. Anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.